check the QR codes for information related to this video. I hope you continue watching so far. Thanks. Hi guys. So um, I have this thing right here. It's the 2-port HDMI video switcher 4K 60Hz. It's from StarTech. It has French connection. It has French power. DES, NL, PT, IT, and JA. Because it has 4 different ports inside of here. I actually haven't. I got one of these for like a friend before, and they wanted, and it because they wanted a switcher. I didn't know if it would be pretty good, but it has 4 different power ports. Here's the North American one. Excuse me. It has a little adapter for it. Has the remote, which comes with a battery, but I'm not going to be using the remote. And it comes with the DC barrel jack cable. So with this goes in like this, see, and you push it in. It goes in like this. Then the barrel jack, you have this is a standard barrel jack. So if you it's like the L-tip ones, but if you needed to replace the power supply with something better, it needs to be, because the model is the SW12605020000DN, and but this is a 4 amp max power supply, and it outputs 5 volts. And it does 10 watts. So if you have something that basically can mimic this, you can use a USB adapter as long as you have the power connections proper. And so there's that. This remote is just a simple 1 button, 2 button. So what makes this switch special is that what makes this switch actually special is that it actually has 1 output, 2 inputs. So if you plug in a USB, if you plug in a what's that thing called, an HDMI into input, because you plug a HDMI input that is meant to be full actually speed. I mean, if you plug in one that is always on, you plug into input 2, and if you plug in one that is occasionally turns on, you plug into input 1. So when you turn on input 1, it would switch to input 1, and when you're not on input 1, it switches to input 2. So it has a button select, power, LED, and yeah. Also it's IR because it has a remote, and it's made out of metal, and it also would be great for. It would be great for if you just wanted it subject to auto switch. So if you have something like a manual switch, like something like something like I have over on my TV over there, which is just a manual button switch from KDEV. You could use one of these and plug this into like there. And once you do actually that, since I use mine for an Apple TV, I can pretty much just plug the Apple TV into input 2 and plug the DVD player in input 1. And then when I turn on input 1, it would when I turn on the DVD player, it will switch to the DVD player. And then when I turn off input 1, it will switch to the Apple TV again. So I might buy another one of these just in case this one works. So there's just a little bit shaky inside, but that should be fine. Like it was thrown. So thanks for watching. I'll be doing another. I've redid the Stream Deck buttons again, but I'll show you that another time. Let's see. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Check the QR codes for information related to this video. I hope you continue watching so far. Thanks.